Ayun, hello guys, again, I'm Ralph. I'm from Baguio and I'm a fraghead. And today po, gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo ng isang content about this trending na topic. No? Actually, may mga nakita ko yung 5 things that are worth your money. Tapos may gumawa niya sa perfume. So, naisip ko, for today, let me share to you, in my opinion, yung 5 perfumes that are worth your money. So, number 1, guys, local niche perfumes. Ayan, so I have here Manila Oud from Ren Atelier, no, and Amkidul, no, from the Borg Grooming Co. Itong Manila Oud, guys, a beautiful, a perfect representation of the Philippines. This has elemi, this has accords of banana Q and calamansi, no. It makes you think of the Philippines and its history and the church, no. So ang galing lang, no. Ang galing ng representation nito. And this has real oud, guys. And speaking of real oud, we have here Amkidul from the Borg Grooming Co. Guys, this has real Philippine oud, no, or real Philippine agarwood, or what we call lapnisan. So they are worth your money because they represent the Philippines. They represent the story, the creativity of our very own perfumer. So guys, no, these are worth your money. Local niche perfume. So number 1. Number 2, guys, I don't know if you have heard this niche house, no. What I have here is Ambre Rouge from Parfum de Empire. Parfum de Empire, guys, no, is for me one of those niche houses that are truly niche, no. So the story, the composition. So yeah, Ambre Rouge, this has champagne, this has vodka, this is real ambergris, a beautiful perfume, no. So again, no, for me, with the price tag, really bang for your buck. Again, no, hindi lang tong Ambre Rouge, guys. Definitely, if you're into niche, explore, please do explore Parfum de Empire. Ayan. And number 3, no, if you're looking for a beast mode na perfume, no, I do away with these terms, mga beast mode, no. Pero if there's a truly beast mode na perfume na I could recommend, this is one of them, no. This is always nasa top ng head ko. This is called Promise, no. Ayan, Promise from Frederic Malle, no. So this has Cypriol, this has Rose, no, and this is Apple, and this performs, no, as in beast mode performance, no. If you're looking for something unique, no, and a frag that performs and with the right conditions, no, and a few sprays, no, napaka-effective nito. Again, Promise from the house of Frederic Malle and from the Desert Gems collection. And the 4th one, no. So the 4th one is this one. Actually, this is Mukhalat Al-Shams from the house of Ajmal. Guys, if you're looking for good quality materials, lalo oud, no, this is one of them na I highly recommend. This is real oud, guys, no, and sa price tag ng Ajmal, no, you're getting your money's worth, no. Sobrang mura ng Ajmal compared sa ibang frags na may real oud, no, pero halos hindi mo naman madama. But yeah, no, Mukhalat Al-Shams and in general the house of Ajmal, definitely worth your money, no. Bang for your buck. Again, this is Mukhalat Al-Shams from the house of Ajmal. And the last one, guys, that I have here, no, sikat tong line na to sa ngayon, pero hindi to na pag-uusapan. Now this is Oud 74 from the house of Swiss Arabian sa Heritage Collection. Yung Heritage Collection, no, madalas nating makita or marinig ay yung Incense 01, for example, or Musk 01, Musk 07, pero napakakonti ng content, no, about Oud 74. So Oud 74, this has real Indian and Malaysian oud, no. And if you want to enter real oud game, no, or if you want to explore real oud, this is one of your entrances. Performs really well. The price is it's really affordable. Halos same lang with other heritage frags, no. So again, Guys, Oud 74 from the House of Swiss Arabian. So, yun guys, no, these are the frags that I would say are worth your money. So, kayo guys, what do you think are those perfumes that for you are worth your money? Thank you guys.